Okay, so let's look at figurative language. So descriptive language used to compare things to other things, to compare things. So similes. Similes, as or like. The food was as hot as a volcano. The drinks were like ice on the tongue. Very cold. Very hot. Very cold. Rather than just saying, the food was hot, the drinks were cold, the food was like a volcano, the food was like lava, the food was like fire, the drinks were like ice, the drinks were cold as ice. Potential. So metaphors, describing something as though it was something else. A wave of hope washed over them. So the hope hope is described like a wave from the ocean. It washed over them. How cool is that? Or personification, which is I like this one. Personification, giving things a human feel or human traits. Let's go back. There we are. Metaphor, personification. The door shrieked and cried. The laptop cried and yelped. The laptop shouted. The laptop shouted. Mexico called for me. The sun smiled. How cool is that? The grass welcomed us. Welcomed us. Yeah. How cool is that? So giving things human traits or feelings. The sun smiled. The grass welcomed us. Mexico called us. Nice. And onomatopoeia is an interesting one. Words sound the way they are spelt. So the leaves crunched as they walked. Crunch. Crunch. Or wow. Wow, they said. Wow. Or even bang went the fireworks. The fireworks. Bang. How cool is that? So descriptive language can be quite powerful. So a simile is quite a good one. As and like. The building was as tall as a tree. He was as smart as a calculator. They were as fast as cheetahs. The room was cold like a fridge. The room was cold like a fridge. The cake was as smooth as silk. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.